What's up, everybody? It's the Wild Hog, and you are all my Wild Hogs, yeah! Okay, so, ran a poll on Twitter after the video I recorded yesterday, and you all said you didn't like the new intro, cause, I mean, you might have been just joking, cause, like, I put funny options up. It was, for yes, it was Coolio Julio, and for the no, it was, it sucked donkey vag. Oh, did it Max again? He's a good boy. Max. Yeah, I'm holding an umbrella because it is raining and I don't like getting my phone wet. There's a Max. There's a Max. There's a Maxie puppy. There's a Maxie puppy. There's a Max. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. I'll see you later, Max. Yeah, he's a good boy. Just gotta be calm when you walk away from him. I shouldn't say that, because then... Anyway, we're going to get them out. Oh, and to the person who just commented on my last video, I will not wall twerk. I'm sorry, but I do not record inside my house, or anyone's house. I mean, I'll record for Snapchat, but not freaking wall twerking, because I can't twerk at all. Let alone on the wall. Maybe next fall. I might hurt my balls. Then I'll end up having to crawl. Yes, I was trying to rhyme. Might hurt my balls or something small. Peter. Alright, we are the mailboys and by yourself. And we are back. We are back in black. Yeah. Wind blowing. You know, take my umbrella. In my umbrella. And it's polka dot. Polka dot. Anyway. So, yeah, I don't know what the new sign-off is going to be. But I'll tell you what, you guys will have a choice between, the one that I used yesterday, you know, hasta la bye-bye. Or, one that I'm gonna have to come up with here in a minute, because I'm almost home. I'm almost home. Home. Oh, and someone else who commented on the last video, I will not eat my own shit. That's just disgusting. That's disgusting. No, I will not eat my own shit. It's disgusting. No. Max. There's a Max. I don't know why, it's just fun making weird faces and stuff. Look at the funny face. Look at the funny face. Look at the funny face. So much rain. Mother Nature's on her period. And she like bleeds water. Oakley dokley. So, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I will put a link for the vote down below. And, to all my wild coxswains ever. Stay wild, and remember... I forgot what I was gonna say remember for, but, Remember, snoochie boochies!